Hey YouTube, what is going on? It is Pet Gaming back at it again with another video. Today we will be benchmarking my custom gaming PC. It cost me $700 and it is VR ready. I built this with performance and performance only in mind. It doesn't look aesthetically pleasing, but it gets the job done for gaming. Anyways, and let's get right into the parts. So, for the graphics card, we are using a Gigabyte GeForce GTX 1060 WindForce Edition. I bought this at Microcenter for $160 open box. For our CPU, we are using an i5 4590 locked processor. I bought this at Microcenter for $160, and they're still having that sale right now. For our motherboard, we are using the ASRock Anniversary Edition Z97 Full ATX motherboard. I bought this at Microcenter open box for $48, and it was only missing the manual and drivers, which you can download from the internet. Normally it costs $110. For our RAM, we are using 16 gigabytes of HyperX Fury by Kingston. Bought this on Amazon. I bought the white, I'm just showing blue. It was the cheapest color, but you can buy whatever suits your needs. For our case, we are using the Thermaltake Versa H22 mid-tower case. It supports ATX motherboards. It comes in a solid side panel and a clear side panel. I chose the one with the solid side panel. So to tally everything up, it is $720 including the OS. Sorry, I forgot to put that there. But you could save about $90 by subtracting 8 gigabytes of RAM. That'll bring the RAM down to $50. You could subtract $40 from not using the AF120 fans. I just use them because the case fans suck. But it does come pre-installed with 5 case fans, and you could subtract it 20 more by taking out the DVD read-write. So this is an incredible deal. You guys should really look into buying open box parts. So to start things off, we ran 3 Markfire Strike, standard DirectX 11 benchmark, if you don't know what it is. Anyways, we scored at 9,562, which is pretty solid. The Oculus Rift recommended specifications scored a 9,362, so it scored enough to run Oculus Rift or HTC Vive. So pretty solid performance. Nothing crazy, but solid.
Reports of hostiles in the area. All units respond.
Emergency vehicle. We detected a military vehicle nearby, transporting captured rebels. Please.
Additional support has been approved. It should reach your
The enemy is winning! We must counterattack!
We have activated an uplink station. Prepare for enemy attack.
Air support requested.
That's an affirmative. Air support on the way.
Bomber targeting systems locked in. Homing missile lock on your ship. Seeker inbound.
locking signal initialized. Shake that missile lock.
Hope you enjoyed the video. This was my first time benchmarking a PC and making a video about it, so I hope you enjoyed. Like if you enjoyed the video, dislike if you didn't, and make sure to subscribe. Anyways, this is High Impact Productions, and I'll see you next time.